Hi, I'm Carwyn Williams. I'm a peer educator for Conwy Youth Service. Over the past 2 years I've done volunteering and gained loads of experience from it. I've done futsal sessions and healthy living sessions at John Bright, and 3 years ago I got excluded from there, and when I went back the head teacher shook my hand for doing well and coming to the school to help out with Conwy Youth.
What skills have you learned?
I've learned I can try and lead sessions, but with some help from the group.
And how has this helped you to possibly get a job in the future?
Well, it's helped me on my CV, and Chris has given me loads of help to try and improve it to make it better for job applications.